Your hair is thinning. It happens to most men. A receding hairline or male pattern baldness can lead to a lack of self-confidence and anxiety about your appearance. While there are treatments available, such as medications, hair replacements, and hair restoration, these can be expensive, painful, and bothersome. However, there is one solution that stands head and shoulders above the rest: the Weston hair system. A hybrid of medical tattooing and scalp micropigmentation applications is the most technologically advanced method available. Created by Mark Weston after years of research and development, no other procedure comes close to replicating hair follicles like the Weston system. With its unique patented application method, the Weston system creates an illusion of 3D hair growth. The exclusive smart pigments mimic the natural light and dark areas of naturally buzzed hair. You'll look great, and your confidence will soar when you choose the Weston system. While other companies require expensive, multiple sessions and occasional touch-ups, the Weston system is a one-time, non-surgical application that looks superior and never needs touch-ups. The secret is Weston's patented needles, many times smaller than those used by other applications. The smart pigment is applied deeper into the scalp, creating permanency, and the follicle size always remains the same. The smart pigments are engineered to continually blend in a natural way in case your hair begins to gray in later years. Trust your appearance to the Weston system, the non-surgical, one-time, permanent application solution that yields immediate results and is maintenance-free and virtually pain-free. And with a Weston system guaranteed, you can be confident that your hair loss problems are gone for good. Visit us at markwestonhair.com or call us at 941-217-5103. We'll be happy to discuss how the Weston system can help you get back to your youthful appearance.